What exactly is your quirk?
I don't know. I only know that I keep getting back up.
You turn the impact into protection.
Then maybe that is my quirk.
Oh, if you're joining the crew, show me your strongest move!
Captain, prepare for the elastic patty flip!
That's a great attack!
It's supposed to be lunch!
Yes. Let's do a quick warm-up match.
Okay, but I'm more of a fry cook than a fighter.
You turned my punch into a power-up!
I think I soaked up too much.
If I write your name, it will be over.
Which one? My full legal name is very long.
Your victim drowned the death note.
I get nervous around school supplies.
Please, stay focused. If a Titan appears, don't panic.
I can stay calm under pressure! Would you like something to eat first?
Concentrate your breathing. Feel the flow inside you. Total sponge breathing!
My technique is more moisturized.
Let's see how you handle my domain.
I usually handle things with a spatula. I understood none of that, but I kept it.
You look weird, but maybe you can help me fight a devil.
I help people all the time.
I can hold it for a little while.
That's actually metal.
Evil energy is gathering. Stand back.
Can I transform too?
In the name of the sea, I'll cook for justice!
A hollow is coming. Stay behind me.
I can protect myself. Did I purify it or sanitize it?